Welcome to MarineMax Gulf Shores. This is CJ Jenkins. Today we're going to be going over the Boston Whaler 160 Super Sport. This is a new boat for this year. It replaces the 15-foot. This has a couple of upgrades we will touch on while we're outside. This has the stainless steel rub rail, the gray hull. Also has the folding tongue, so if you want to store this in your garage, the tongue will fold so we can do so. Comes with its own trailer. The bimini top. Stainless steel grab rails within. Here at the bow, we have upgraded bow cushion. Underneath the cushion, there's storage for anchor, chain, and rope. There's also a cooler for additional seating. It is removable. Has a cushion on top. This has the upgraded Boston Whaler swivel seats. These can swivel so we can fish at any direction. You notice the cleats are raised. Those are stainless steel as well. Nice raised Boston Whaler logo. Swim platform on the back with ladder. This has the upgraded 90 horsepower Mercury engine. As we head toward the inside of the boat, got a 19-gallon upgraded gas tank. There's the battery. It's enclosed in its own housing. There's also a shelf on the gunnel for storing knives, tackle, and other gear. Thank you for visiting MarineMax Gulf Shores. This is CJ Jenkins. You can reach us at 251-981-1113. Thank you.